Hey guys, it's Mrs. Sauceda. I'm here to show you how to complete your plate tectonics study guide. So you're going to go ahead and click on the assignment plate tectonics study guide. And there's two attachments on this assignment. So you're going to need to, if you want to get extra credit, you need to open up both of these. So it says use the attached link to review for the test. So this is the attached link right here. And then you can complete the attached study guide for extra credit on the test. And that part's optional. So there is audio instructions if you click here. But you're going to click on the speaker if you want to listen to me give instructions or read a question to you. And then you're just going to go through these slides, read the question, and then look around the room and click on the correct answer. You need to keep trying until you get the answer correct. So I'll go ahead and start. So it says when two plates move away from each other. And this makes things like valleys, seafloor spreading ridges, and releases magma. So when two plates move away from each other, is that convergent, subduction convergent, a transform or a fault, or divergent? And so if you click on one and you get it wrong, then you click here so you can try again. If you get the correct answer, it will take you to the new slide. If you want extra credit, then you need to go ahead and open up this document and record your answers on here as you're doing the review. So when two plates move away from each other, we just answered that one. So we're going to put divergent. And so we're on the next one. 2, which form of thermal transfer causes the movement of tectonic plates? Which form of thermal transfer causes the movement of tectonic plates? Conduction, convection, or radiation? So you'll click on the answer you think is correct and keep going until you get it right. Once you get it right, go over here and type down the correct answer. If you get this complete before the test, I'll go ahead and give you 5 extra points on your final test score. If you're confused or have any questions, just make sure you let me know.